Alaikum Kadir. Today our topic is kindness to animals. I have a hamster. My grandma is kind. The Hadith. Huraira Razi Allah Anha reported that the Messenger of Allah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said, while a man was walking on his way, he became extremely thirsty. He found a well. He went down into it to drink water. Upon leaving it, he saw a dog which was panting out of thirst. His tongue was lolling out of, and he was eating most earth from extreme thirst. The man thought to himself, "This dog is extremely thirsty, as I was." So he descended into the well, filled up his leather sock with water, and holding it in his teeth, climbed up and squeezed the thirst dog of water. Allah appreciated his action, and he forgave his sins. The companions asked, "Shall we be rewarded for showing kindness to the animals also?" He Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said, "A reward is given in connection with every living creature." This hadith from Al-Bukhari and Muslim. What does it mean, kindness to animals, Khadija? This means that being kind is so powerful and important that Allah forgave a man and gave him Jannah just for being kind to a dog once in his life. Khadija, that's amazing. It also means that animals deserve our kindness. Khadija, we get rewarded for kindness to every living creature. Of course, humans too, and insects and animals. Khadija, how can you use kindness to animals in real life? Try to understand how others might be feeling, so that you could be kind to them. That's called compassion. Khadija, you might think that your little brother is seriously annoying when he wakes up crying at night. You might want to throw your pillow and tell him to zip his mouth and stop being a baby. But if you think about he might have a bad dream, or he might be thirsty, or just need a hug now. Now imagine the reward you would get if you just cuddle up him and asked, "How can you help?" Khadija, so next time there's a human or even an animal that looks like it could use your kindness, just be as angelic as possible. There doesn't feel that good. Yeah. What kind of pet do you have?
I have a pet parrot, and I give the pet parrot some food, like bird seeds and some water, and I play with it, like I put my finger around and they run away from it.
Okay, very good. Can you show me your parrot?
Okay.
Let's go. Amazing. Oh, I see you put water, bird seeds,
and then run away from my finger. I told you.
Do they
that.
have a baby?
Yes, they're supposed to have a baby, but the baby flies away.
What are those two eggs there?
Oh, those are their new babies.
But can you tell me how do they hatch?
You have to wait for a long time, and then inside the egg, the baby's gonna get ready. Then if the baby kind of grows up, it's going to put their breed and hatch out of the egg, and that to stay down for a little bit there. But if they grow any colors, when they grow yellow like the mom, that's a girl. If it grows green and yellow and black, that's
Okay,
and blue.
thank you.
Like,
Can you show me an example can you show me an example of playing with the bird?
okay, this is how you play with them. Look, first get your finger,
Yeah, here you go.
and when you put your finger here, once it runs away, that we're playing tag
Wow.
with them. We're playing tag with
Do you
them.
do this often every day? Or
Yeah.
Often. Or sometimes.
I did sometimes. And sometimes I do this, like put my whole finger in here, then I try and put my whole finger in there.
Okay.
And this is their bird food. See, they're supposed to have a lot of bird food.
When did
in
you
here.
get this?